Are you tired of overpacking and struggling with too many bags and big luggage whenever you travel? Well, today I'm going to show you how to pack and travel minimally and still look stylish. Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. A portion of today's video is sponsored by the Bento Bag from Nomad Lane. More from them in just a minute. And I'm really excited to share that with you guys because listen, this bag is a game changer. Have you ever noticed that when you travel, there seems to be two distinct groups? You have your frequent travelers, and I'm mainly talking about flying. You have your frequent flyers, maybe it's your business travelers, or just people who have been through this process a lot. And they travel minimally, they have the right gear, they breeze through the airport, they never look like they're struggling or breaking a sweat. And then you have the other group of people, the people who have all these bags, they've got all this stuff with them, they are always fumbling around, looking for their documents, looking for their ID, they're disorganized, they can't find stuff. They kind of look like the Clampetts from the Beverly Hillbillies, if you remember that show. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can look like the frequent traveler group and still look stylish, put together, and have an outfit no matter what the occasion. And it is getting really dark outside. We've had rain and storms all day long. So you might even hear thunder during this video, but it is getting dark. I apologize if the lighting is kind of weird today, but that's why. So we're talking about a fall travel capsule wardrobe today. That's how you accomplish this, being able to pack minimally yet have everything you need. So I'm going to go over the pieces that we're using and show you multiple outfits that you can create with this capsule wardrobe. So not counting your undergarments or shoes, I only have 9 pieces of clothing for this travel capsule wardrobe, but I came up with 12 different outfits and I could have come up with more. I just got tired of trying on clothes, but you could just keep on going and going with these items. And the first items, and this is what I like to do, I have my travel outfit. And so for travel, I always or almost always go with something super comfy like this set from Spanx. This is from Air Essentials, and y'all know how much I love my Spanx Air Essentials. This is the half zip sweatshirt and the tapered pants. So these are lightweight, yet they're cozy and warm, and you can layer up. I didn't wear anything under this sweatshirt, but you know, you could layer up and put a t-shirt or a tank top on underneath it if you need an extra layer. So here I am with my carry-on roller bag and my Nomad Lane Bento Bag. It's got all my essentials in it, and I'm in my airport outfit and I'm ready to go. Now let's look at the other items that I'm going to be using in today's video. In my fall travel capsule wardrobe, I've come up with a color scheme, and I would advise you to do that too. It's going to make sure that everything you pack can be mixed and matched with everything else, and that will maximize your number of outfits you can get out of this capsule wardrobe. So the colors I chose are black, white or cream, camel, and denim. I have a black t-shirt, a white t-shirt. I chose short sleeve, but depending on where you're going, you could choose long sleeve. And for your reference, everything will be linked in all the usual places, either on the screen while I'm talking about that item, below the video screen at the top of the description, that's where the little picture links will be. And then if there's something that you can't find in those picture links, keep on scrolling, and down in the description, there will be either a link to a collection of everything in today's video, or the items will be listed out individually. I'll also copy all that and put it in a comment that I'll pin to the top of the comment section. Next, a pullover sweater. You can go with a solid color, this is a cream color, or you can go with a classic stripe, and a white button-up shirt, or you may choose to do a blue button-up or a blue stripe button-up. A button-up cardigan. This is going to serve double duty. It can be worn over something as a cardigan, or it can be worn buttoned up as a top. And a top top layer. For this video, I chose this long collarless cardigan sweater. This is the one from J. Crew. And for the jeans, you're going to take one pair of straight leg jeans and a pair of black pants. Shoes. I'm only using 3 pairs of shoes. That's right. And that is a pair of sneakers. Fashion sneakers that are super comfortable. Second pair of shoes is a pair of flats. And the third shoe is a pair of ankle boots. The purses I'll show you in the video. Back to jackets. No matter what the weather, always, always, always pack a very thin, lightweight rain jacket with a hood. A couple of other extras that I included in this capsule wardrobe are a leopard print belt that you'll see and a scarf. Okay, so I have my travel capsule ready, but the truth is the secret to easy travel is not only minimal packing, it's also being organized. And that's why I have my new secret travel weapon, the bento bag from Nomad Lane. It's the perfect +1 for all your adventures. And it's not just a bag, it's designed to keep you totally organized. The best part is how it opens. Unlike traditional duffel bags, the bento bag unzips down the middle and folds open like a suitcase. That means no more digging to the bottom to find what you need. I can easily pack a change of clothes or two, my favorite cozy sweater, and my toiletries. It features 2 leather handles on top plus padded shoulder strap for easy carrying. For me, the key to effortless travel style is having everything with me within easy reach. And this bag has a spot for everything. There's a dedicated padded sleeve for your laptop or iPad, a hidden water bottle pocket that zips away when you're not using it, and even a unique elastic key leash, so you'll never lose or have to dig around for your keys again when you get back home. The front pocket has spots for your passport, pens, room for your wallet, and sunglasses. The bento bag also comes with a TSA approved liquids bag and a pouch for your chargers and cords. Best of all, the bento bag has special pockets for both of these pouches so you can access them easily when going through security or on the plane. This bag also has a special pocket for your cell phone, which, hallelujah, we're always looking for that. It has this pocket that your cell phone fits into perfectly, or you can use it for your ID. You can slip your passport right in that pocket so it's readily available when you're going through security, and then after you've cleared security, you can pack it away inside the bag. And speaking of the plane, the bento bag is designed to fit easily underneath the seat in front of you. And finally, the best feature for seamless travel is the trolley sleeve. This bag slides right over the handle of my rolling suitcase so I can glide through the airport without struggling. The bento bag perfectly blends fashion and function. It's made with premium weather-resistant nylon and comes in so many gorgeous colors. This bag has completely changed the way I pack and how I travel. And if you're looking to make your next trip easier and more organized, you can find a link to the bento bag in the description down below. Thanks to Nomad Lane and the bento bag for sponsoring today, and now let's get back to the video. All right, let's look at all the outfits I put together with my little capsule wardrobe. And there's no rhyme or reason to the order of these outfits. I was just trying things on and putting things together, and this is the order I tried them on in. Number 1, we have the Spanx travel outfit, which you already saw. This is my airport outfit to be comfortable and breeze through the airport. Okay, the next outfit is the black t-shirt, jeans, my leopard flats. I've taken that button-up cardigan and I've just draped it over my shoulders, so I've got it with me, and I could, put it on if I get chilly. And I'm carrying this purse from Low & Sons. Now, I have shown this purse before on my channel. This purse is convertible. Here I have removed the strap and clicked the ends together, so this is more of a dressy way to carry the purse, but you can also wear it on your shoulder or crossbody, which you'll see later in the video. This was selected as one of the best purses for travel. I think it was by Travel and Leisure magazine. I can't remember where I read that, because of its size and its features. And it comes in a variety of colors too. Now, these jeans are a little bit long to wear with my flats, so I turned up a cuff on them. I really should have picked a different pair, but whoopsie. I made it work here by just turning up a cuff, because cuffed jeans are kind of in style this fall. So here is my first look with the capsule wardrobe. My next outfit outfit. This is outfit number 3. I moved inside because it was just too hot and muggy to do this outside and I was getting all sweaty. So this outfit is the same black t-shirt and I'm wearing those black endless pants from Athleta. These pants are amazing. They are so stretchy and soft and comfortable. They feel like you're wearing activewear, but they look like a polished pair of pants. So you can wear them with literally anything. Then I took that same cardigan and I added it over top of the t-shirt, just wearing it open like this. I've got on those same leopard print flats and my Low & Sons leather purse. Outfit number 4, I took that same black base and I added the long cardigan from J. Crew. If you know where you're going is going to be rainy and wet, just swap out this coat again for a trench coat. And here is where you can have some fun and add some interest to these outfits. Pack a lightweight scarf or 2. That way you can really change up the look of your outfits and add interest and dimension. So here I've got this very lightweight scarf. I've had it for years. I got it at a local boutique. I'll try to find something similar. And I just twist it up around my neck and that just adds a whole different look to this outfit. And outfit number 5, same black pants, but here I added that white button up. This would be great for any kind of business trip you're going on, you know, if you're doing any business travel or business and fun travel. And then if you wanted to, you could take that same button up cardigan and drape it over your shoulders like I've done here, or you could even add it over the top of this shirt for another look. So today's question I have for you is, what kind of traveler are you? Are you a minimalist, carry-on only kind of gal, or are you a I pack everything except the kitchen sink because you want options and you never know what you're gonna need? I can be both. It really depends. There are times when I go overboard with packing, and then there are times when I can pack very, very minimally. It just depends on where I'm going and what I may be doing or not. So I need to get more streamlined with my packing, and this bento bag is going to help me do it. But leave me a comment and let me know, what kind of packer are you? And while you're leaving that comment, I want to remind you that every week I send out my newsletter. I have a healthy lifestyle or diet tip in there, a healthy recipe, a recap of the week's bestsellers and videos here on my channel. And I have a link in the newsletter where you can submit a picture to be featured here on my channel, like Laura. Here is another picture of Laura in an outfit inspired by one of my videos. Laura looks so cute and everything, but she does not want to be the only one featured here on my channel. So please submit some pictures so I can share you guys with the community here. And I have a secret. I haven't said much about this, but I'm starting a blog, and with the help of my assistant, she's getting all this together for me. So very soon I'm going to be coming out with a blog post every week. And one of the things that I'm going to do on that blog post, I'm going to have these guides like a capsule wardrobe, a travel capsule wardrobe, or what shoes to wear with which jeans. These guides that you can get and print off and keep for yourself. So I don't have my blog up and running yet, but I do have a link where you can purchase this travel capsule guide and all these different outfit formulas. So I'm going to put a link to that down in the description box for you as well. Okay, this next outfit is one of my favorites. I call this the how to be a tourist without looking like a tourist. And for this outfit, I chose the white t-shirt. I've got those same endless pants from Athleta, topped it off with the coatigan and my sneakers. So these pants go great with sneakers too, so you're gonna be totally comfortable. Took that Low & Sons bag, added the strap to make it a crossbody, and this is going to take you sightseeing all over the place. Doesn't matter if you're in a big city or wherever, you're going to be comfortable, but your outfit does not scream, I'm a tourist, because you're not wearing your Hokas or your New Balances. Next, I have another outfit with those same black pants. I promise not every outfit is with those pants, but here I've added this lightweight sweater. This one is from J. Crew Factory. I have the sweater in about 4 different colors. I buy a new one every spring, summer when they come out. They are the best little sweaters for travel. They're lightweight. lightweight, packable, and I added these sunglasses from Quince and that same crossbody bag. This is another great outfit for a day of sightseeing or vacation this fall. And now another option, instead of just that solid cream sweater, you can pack a striped sweater. That gives you a little visual interest, and you can wear it just the same way, just swap out for a striped sweater. Speaking of that striped sweater, here's my next outfit. It's that sweater with the straight leg jeans and the black ankle boots. So maybe you're going out to a casual dinner at night or something like that, and you want to dress up just a little bit and not be wearing your sneakers. Here's an outfit for that. You could top this off with that coat again if you needed the extra warmth, or a trench coat for another really chic look. For the next look, I've got that white button-up shirt again, tucked into the straight leg jeans. I've got on the black ankle boots, and for some interest, I added this leopard print belt. Now, belts are another great way to add some interest. They don't take up a lot of space, and a leopard print belt with this outfit really goes a long way to pulling this whole look together and giving it some interest rather than just a plain white shirt and jeans. And either cardigan, the long one or the short one, could be layered over the white button-up shirt for another look. Next look, I have that button-up cardigan. I've got it buttoned all the way up, so I'm wearing it as a top with the jeans and the boots. And really, with this, you could do any shoe option. I just chose the boots. And if it's a little chilly wherever you are, you can always wear one of those t-shirts underneath this cardigan for an extra layer of warmth. Next outfit, I'm still wearing that cardigan buttoned up as a top. I did swap out the jeans so that I could put on some sneakers with the jeans. These are just about an inch shorter than the other ones, so they are a good length to wear with my sneakers. And so this is another cute but casual everyday outfit for your next trip. And next, I got out that black t-shirt again. I added it to the jeans, put that leopard belt on, added the black boots and the long cardigan. There's another outfit for you. And that leopard belt adds just enough interest. And now another option, if you did not want to wear the boots, you could add the flats. Now, if I had solid color flats, I would still wear the belt. But since my flats are leopard print, I removed the belt because you don't want two items in the same outfit that's leopard. That is too much leopard. That was about 15 different outfits. So as you can see, all these things are interchangeable and mix and matchable, and you could just keep going and going and going. I just got tired of changing. So hopefully this gives you an idea how you can pack a minimal number of items and come up with endless opportunities. The key is add in some extra t-shirts in case you get something on one of these black or white ones, and that's going to stretch your outfits further because these other items can be a top layer. You could even use the white button-up shirt as a top layer. So endless possibilities. Thanks again to Nomad Lane for sponsoring today's video, and if you want to get your own bento bag so you can be the organized traveler, then be sure to check out my link down in the description. Thank you all for joining me today, and until I see you in my next video, have a stylish day. Bye.